Godspeed, little truck, let's go. Gotta make moves. Of course. Somebody get in front of me. Just in the nick of time. Alright, you guys, just like that, the workday is over. Sorry I didn't really say what's up while I was at work, but we're heading home now, and I have a bit of an idea of something I can do for the end of today's video, so let's get into it. Guys, remember this thing? It's been a while since we've seen it. Anyways, I need to grab some measurements real quick, and we will head over to Napa to grab something I need to make this and the ML55 a little bit better for the oil catch can setups that I have. And I guess since we're out here, we can also check on the sealant that we did last night, see how it's looking, see if it's solidified or not, just for fun. But for now, all I need is my caliper out of here to measure. Alright, how's she looking? I don't know if this stuff, no, it doesn't, I don't think it really dries. I think it just stays like liquid. So, I don't really know, to be honest. So, let's head over to Napa after I grab this measurement off the ML55 real quick. Alright guys, so I'll start explaining now. Essentially, the oil catch can setups are working great. However, the breather port that I've left vented to atmosphere, I'm not too happy about. It's working how it's supposed to, but it's basically venting during hard acceleration, and I can just smell the oil vapor in the cabin, and it's not the best smell. I don't want to be smelly all the time, so my plan is just to T-barb it in to the existing lines that we have here already. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. All I need to do is grab the measurement off of the hose where the red hose is right there, or the barb where the red hose is. So I'm going to grab a measurement so I can grab proper fuel line from Napa, and then we'll be able to throw it on here and the C55. Alright guys, well, other thing I just noticed, this is like the second or third time it's happened now. The dipstick is not staying in its home, and I have a feeling it's just because of this O-ring. It's basically like not sealing at all. It can basically just slip in and out too easily. So I think I'm also going to try to find an O-ring while I'm at Napa. Hopefully I can seal this up. I actually just ordered an O-ring kit, but it's not going to be here for a little bit. So the barb is 3/4, so I need some 3/4 fuel line. And I will look for an O-ring while I'm there. Alright guys, well, I'm no good with the cold, so that is not right there. It's like 30 degrees out right now. And I don't feel like walking, even though it's not that far, so I'm driving the ML63. Haven't driven in a while. And look, it's greeting me with my magic numbers, 333. So, let's make our way over to Napa, see if we can grab what we need, make our way back, and then work in the cold. Alright you guys, they didn't have their open sign on, but I think they're open. Let's go try to get what we need. We got some stuff we need. Napa tried with the O-ring, but I don't think this is going to quite fit. I'm going to go test fit it real quick, and if it doesn't, then I will head over to ANDERZÉN or O'Reilly's, see if they have something that will work a little bit better. We literally have a shop dedicated to O-rings like right down the street from me, which is super weird and rare, but they close really early, so they're closed. I gotta wait till tomorrow if I'm not able to find one tonight, which means I probably won't be driving the ML55 tomorrow if I can't find one. So hopefully we do. It was much too loose, it's hanging off by a bit, so I'm gonna take this with me this time and see if we can find anything that's gonna work. And to be honest, this may be because of that vent valve. I do have a check valve in there, and maybe it wasn't releasing enough pressure, and this is what I was smelling and not that. So we'll see. Alright guys, tried AutoZone, no luck. Now we're at O'Reilly's. Let's hope we get lucky. Alright guys, the wild goose hunt was successful. Got a nice fitting O-ring here. I grabbed the extra just in case, and yeah, let's head back home. $2 later, ready to do what I originally was going to do, and hopefully we can still get it done. Pretty thankful guys, I have literally 3 auto parts stores within like a 2-mile radius, which is very convenient when you're searching for some odd part here or there. Plus we got like Home Depot and Ace and things like that not too far away as well. So yeah, we're in a good spot for car guy stuff, at least, and comes in handy more often than you might think. But let's get home, see if this dipstick fits, and try out what we want to try to hopefully fix our breather situation. Alright guys, back at the ML55. Let's go ahead and give this a go. Yeah. Okay, first things first. Dipstick, will you fit? Very tight fit. Oh gosh, did that sound good? Might be too big, guys, to be honest. Shite. That's not really good. I feel like I'm gonna break it. Oof. Stay right there. That wasn't good, guys. Well, I got a permanently sealed dipstick now. Alright guys, well, got it out, but unfortunately don't think that one's gonna work. I'm gonna have to go tomorrow to the oh great, I cracked this thing. That's alright, it's not gonna hurt anything, but that sucks. Sheesh. This was barely too big. Yeah, just doesn't want to go. Alright, well, moving on. Well, we got one victory at least. This hose fits perfect. It's 5/8 actually, not 3/4 hose. The 3/4 looked a little bit too big and I want it to be a snug fit. So that will work. I'm basically going to, this one's a little different than the C55. The C55's line is running this way, but I'm basically going to key this into the existing line that's going to the inlet on the catch can. I'm not really sure where the best spot to do that is. I'll see how much hose I have to be able to connect the T-barb. And then I'm also going to have to run basically like a double hose on one side of the T-barb because it's a, let me grab it real quick. It's a 3/8 barb, so obviously this side's not going to fit in here. I need another hose to adapt it onto this piece. And then these two sides will sit obviously with the 3/8 line that's on there. So, see what I can do. Alright guys, well, not the ideal solution, but a solution for now. I need different connectors to make this really work cleaner. So right now I have everything looped above. When I get the right connector, I need like a tighter Y fitting. This one is pretty flared apart between the three sides. But if I get the tighter Y fitting, then I can route this underneath. So I try to cut them where I could still reuse this hose later on once I get the correct stuff. But half win, half fail tonight. The O-ring is disappointing. I honestly might go back to O'Reilly's in a little bit because they did have one that was smaller, but I think if I like stretched it, it might end up fitting, but who knows? And you know, who knows if this is our issue, but hopefully you know, hopefully that's the reason why it's just popping out, because it didn't have any resistance to hold it in, but definitely caused a mess in here. So I will have to wrap it up there, guys. It's already 7 o'clock, so I don't have much time to edit and get this out to you guys. So I need to start chopping away at that, but we'll leave it there. I'll search around. Maybe I have some O-ring somewhere, or I'll have something that can work. Otherwise, I'll probably be driving back over to O'Reilly's tonight before they close if I can edit in time and get back over there. So wish me luck, but for now, temporary solution kind of in place. Well guys, that'll go ahead and do it for this one. A little bit disappointing time, but I mean, I got some things done. Not the best Vlogmas day though, in all honesty, but not every day is gonna be the best video. Trying to do daily videos, so thank you guys for watching. Hopefully I'll catch you with some better stuff tomorrow, and even that, after that, the weekend's coming up, so I'll have a lot more time to kind of dive into things with you guys. So stay tuned. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.